Bigger and probably a little stronger than Kevin. Obviously, Kevin is a very skilled guy, and that's Ricky Rubio just going right baseline and come away from the basket. That's where his advantage is. Pekovic not near as mobile.
Here's Love. He can do it all. And it's 5-2. First quarter. That was Ben's 62nd three-pointer. That one no good by the Kings, and they didn't get back. I mean, we've been seeing that too much, Jerry.
Yeah, again.
Here's Kevin Martin. Well, two guys went with Kevin Love, and nobody went with Kevin Martin. Bad pass. Here's Kevin Martin with a breakaway. And it has been a little bit of a careless start for Sacramento with the basketball. Shot clock at 8. There's Kevin Martin. He's fouled by Ben McLemore.
He's turned the turbochargers on.
There's Martin. He gets the step, hangs, and has the layup.
Label to again.
Here's Pekovic. Good move on the low block.
Last night against the Lakers.
And Thomas. Nice move to the basket. And Brewer beats the Kings again down the floor. On the Kings shooting the ball tonight. Here in the first quarter, they're at 75%. They have been outstanding. And Kevin Martin has 12 points.
I like the good offense. I also like good defense.
Well, you see the points off turnovers, the blemish for the Kings. Other than that, a lot of good things. Here's Pekovic against Evans. Strength on strength. Pekovic, second try. Here's Cunningham. Dante Cunningham here in this quarter.
Yeah, not being successful at it.
There's Pekovic. So Nick Pekovic. Here's Buttinger.
Chase Buttinger.
Rudy bent over at the waist to your left. Still trying to get back to where he was, and the entry pass to Pekovic in the easy basket. Well, Pekovic answers right back. Nice move by Perea.
Just good last night together in the minutes they had.
Rebound Cunningham. Brewer now to Rubio. And that is good from downtown for Brewer.
Got signals crossed.
Yeah, 9th turnover for the Kings. Here's Kevin Martin. He and Rubio in the backcourt with Brewer, Pekovic, and Love up front. You got to figure the T-Wolves are going to have a tough time winning this game if Love doesn't start scoring. Now Pekovic with the basket.
That will be a key. Must have double dribble there.
Loose, numbers, breakaway, Brewer, basket. And that gets Coach Malone. Thomas.
Boy, it looked like a foul there.
It sure did. And here is Kevin Love. Quick outlet, 2-on-1. Martin, Brewer. That's the way you run a fast break.
Boy, that is exactly.
Boy, that was a beautiful pass. And how about that defense by Cousins? But Pekovic took the loose. And there's Martin with the quick release. He has 21.
Those go away.
67-62. Rudy double team, triple team, and Pekovic got a hand on it, and Rudy with the foul. I guess in one sense, if you're Sacramento, you got to be a little concerned that you're down 7 and Love has only made 1 basket.
I think you have to be very concerned, and of course Kevin Martin making up for a lot of it. But you know, Love is he's not a physical player. He's a quick, very mobile player. So
there's Love. He got free that time. And Coach Sacramento with their 13th turnover. The Kings have given up so far 18 points off their turnovers. They could go to 20 or 21 here. And if this is good, it would be 21 points off 13 turnovers. Doubling Love of the Kings. He finds Cunningham. So. Oh, good defense by Cunningham. Look at Buttinger leak out. That's the 4th time we've seen Minnesota get it. Here's Luke Bamute. And Buttinger. 4 minutes left. Minnesota with the lead, and Kevin Martin gets it to Cunningham, to Barea. Oh my goodness, what a shot by Jose Barea.
Creative, and he certainly was.
92-83. Nice pass. Boy, Reggie needed to shoot that quickly.
Well, right now the Minnesota Timberwolves have not been able to stop either guy the last 2 trips.
Here's Kevin Love, and he scores easily.
A nice pass.
Well, all of a sudden it's a 6-point game, but Pekovic got free. Pekovic finds, or excuse me, Love finds Pekovic on the weak side. That's a big play there. Make it. Thomas. Block shot by Kevin Love. Nice hustle by Ray. Cousins. Rubio knocked it away from behind. He stole the ball from DeMarcus Cousins.
Yeah, just got enough of the leather to knock it loose. I don't think DeMarcus saw Rubio in the area.
That's the guy you want shooting the ball, but he made it.
But he made it.
Yep.
And obviously, you got the ball, and look, you see his teammates. They're really trying to encourage Rubio because they know.
As they beat the Kings tonight, 108-97.